Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is paragraphs. Today we will discuss two paragraphs. My mother and our national fruit. So let's start our class today. Okay. Class 2 subject English language topic paragraphs. So at first we will discuss my mother, and this is your homework also. Okay, let's read. The name of my mother is Alia Jahan. So you will write your you will write the name of your mother. I have just written here Alia Jahan, for an example. So the name of my mother is Alia Jahan. She is 30 years old. So you will write the age of your mother, and she is a teacher. You can also write the profession of your mother. She is a very hardworking woman. She takes care of us. She keeps our house neat and clean. She helps me in my studies. She advises me to be a good person. I love my mother very much. So this is about my mother. So you will give the information of your mother. I repeat the paragraph. The name of my mother is Alia Jahan. She is 30 years old. She is a teacher. She is a very hardworking woman. She takes care of us. She keeps our house neat and clean. She helps me in my studies. She advises me to be a good person. I love my mother very much. So all of you will write the name of your mother, and then you will write the age of your mother, or you can add another sentence, and you will write the profession of your mother, profession or occupation. Maybe your mother is a doctor, or maybe a lawyer, advocate, anything. Whatever the profession of your mother, you will write it here, and you will write about your mother. You can follow this paragraph. Now we will go to our national food, and we know that jackfruit is our national food. So we will write few sentences on jackfruit. That means we will try to describe it. Jackfruit is our national fruit. It is one of the most popular fruits in Bangladesh. It is a summer fruit. It is mainly found in the month of Jeshta. It is juicy, sweet and delicious. It is bigger in size than other fruits. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Most of the people of Bangladesh love jackfruit. So there are few sentences about jackfruit. Let's read again. Jackfruit is our national fruit. It is one of the most popular fruits in Bangladesh. It is a summer fruit. It is mainly found in the month of Jeshta. It is juicy, sweet and delicious. It is bigger in size than other fruits. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Most of the people of Bangladesh love jackfruit. So jackfruit is our national food. We all know about it, and it is quite popular in our country, and it is a summer food. Summer is coming, and you will you will find our national food of jackfruit in summer season, and you will find it. You will find it in the month of Jeshta, and it is in a big size. It is bigger than the other fruits in our country, and it is mainly it is juicy, sweet and delicious. It is very tasty, and it is also a source of vitamins and minerals. That means if you have jackfruit, it will provide you vitamins and minerals also, and most of the people like jackfruit. So there are two paragraphs in this term. That means for half yearly there will be two paragraphs, my mother and our national fruit, and my mother will be your homework. Homework number 10. This is homework number 10. I repeat, homework number 10, and all of you will mention the homework number in your HW copy, and you will also write today's date, 11 March 2001, and my mother is your homework. So all of you will learn the paragraphs, and then we will do your homework. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. So dear students, listen to your parents and we will do our homework and we will submit it. Okay, so see you again. Allah Hafiz.